Yeah, she was trying to win me more, but sometimes it becomes difficult. And now, one day, she tried to give me a story. Maybe she cannot remember those years. Akiheka rugano, o soka kura dudho soka kura tatare guo no rugano rwa kenyiti hakiri kwa hida. Because she told me, ati kefuru utare, ati agere tone showe, te kefuru tane keigerete nyoba ya jogu, ati na jogu yoka ekioria no yo nyoba agaya wa masogu. Ati na to kefuru tane kiuga ati neni kafuta futi, agana kamija miuge, igira kofuta fute. Jogu no doa koigwenya mwere ethinie, nenya mwikita oruna yetago kafuta futi. Na noe mija ege jogu daigirire no kira kiraria thiini ni kindu hatari but ni geske ya jogu. You know hatiro do kidaugira yes, will you marry me? You see. And now I want you to give this story. If this short story won your bishop, I want to tell you that they are not there in existence.
Oh yes.
They don't say an elephant. Norore saisi ya kehuruta kekira jogu tageria koikira okore kafutafuti. You know, I want you to be speaking greater than what you can do. I'm taking you somewhere so that you may be strong to fight and to face some wars.